You're one person away from changing your life. You want to get rich faster, you need to hang out with people who make more money than you and who are more powerful. And I'll explain to you how to make these people like you. So first, be likable, funny, and available. So for example, if somebody worth 100 million that I know calls me, I'm available at any hour. Somebody who has 100 million messages me, I'm going to any city at any time. Because you need to show availability. You cannot be clever person, you're busy. Doesn't matter. If somebody who's rich and who can help you calls you, you have to be available at any hour. Rich people like individuals who are reliable, who they can call at any hour, pick up the phone and stuff like this. If it's not you, it'll be somebody else. So you need to be available all the time. Also, you need to be likable. So when you're in a group with rich people, you cannot sit there flexing your little accomplishments, trying to outshine the master, making all these silly mistakes. You need to be a likable person, you need to be a funny person. Rich people already have it all. If you're a funny person, they will like you. Because rich people, they want to laugh, they want to have a good time, care about the vibes, the company they're in. If you're a boring guy, shy guy, weird guy, they won't like you. So be likable, try to be funny, and be available all the time. Also, develop a tolerance for alcohol. No, some people say, oh, you shouldn't drink, it's not good for your health. All the rich people and important people, they drink, they like having fun. They're already rich. They're not worms like you who need to go to the gym every day to feel good. They already have everything. So they party, they drink, they have fun. If you're the type of person who doesn't drink and says, no, don't drink, I come with my box of chicken breast, I want to go to the gym, they won't like you. You need to be the type of person who's down to party, who says yes to everything. If you want to hang out with people who are way older and richer than you. 2, be good at something. The more skills you have, the better it is for you. Because rich people, they need individuals in their company or around them with certain skills. Maybe you're a big guy, you're good for security. Maybe you know how to edit clips. Maybe you're the type of guy who's good to be a driver. The more skills you have, the easier it is for a rich person to position you somewhere next to him. And this way you have access, this way you learn things, and inevitably you get all the knowledge by being around individuals who are richer than you. 3, be reliable. If you're around a rich person, you need to show that you're trustworthy and you're reliable. The worst mistake you can make around a rich person is to lie. It's different when you're with some loser your age and you can lie to him. He doesn't know the truth. But the rich person has already been in your position. He understands if you lie or not, regardless of how well you do it, because he understands your micro expressions. He understands what you can do and what you cannot do in the position you're in. So it's a very big red flag if you lie to him. If somebody who's super rich asks me, bro, how much money you made last month, I will show him exactly. Don't want him to even think I might lie to him. I'll show him all the receipts, show him exactly the reality. I won't exaggerate, I won't say nothing. Because I know he understands if I lie or if I'm honest. So it's very important to be honest if you're around somebody rich, because this way you build trust. The next thing that gets you respect from important people is show proof that you applied their knowledge. So every rich and powerful person has a certain ideology and certain principles. If you show to that guy, okay, bro, you said this online, or you said this in a conversation we had and I applied it, this person will say like, yeah, I like this guy. He's coachable. He's a good student. I talked to him and he applied instantly. If you just sit there, listen, and never apply, and even worse, if you do things that are in contrast with what that person believes in, he won't like you. You will look like an idiot in front of him. He would make fun of you. He will be some guy he won't take into consideration. Let's say, for example, you're friends with Patrick Bet David, or you're just some soldier, or you work for him. And Patrick Bet David says all the time, you have to read books, you have to do this, blah, blah. He went to the gym all his life. He was a bodybuilder. And you go there and tell Patrick Bet David, no, the gym is not important. Don't care. Or you tell Patrick Bet David, reading is for nerds. You cannot say this to him or live like this and expect that guy to respect you. If you want a certain person to respect you, you need to apply what he does as much as possible. So this way, he will start believing in you more. Another aspect you need to understand is you cannot expect some rich person to like you if you don't respect his time. I actually have this guy, it's funny. So I have this guy who messaged me for like 2 years, every month. Oh bro, I come to Bucharest and we go out. I want you to give me some advice on business. I have your number from this guy that's your friend, blah, blah. So this individual messages me, and I have a lot of people message me like this. doesn't respect my time. Instead of just joining Rich Gang, for example, if he wants to learn from me or if he wants to be in contact with me, instead of doing it the right way, the smart way, this guy messages me. Why would I want a new friend, a new guy who messages me? I don't. I'm already okay. Don't want random people giving them access to my life. It's the same for you. Or if you remember, Tate had the story back in the day when he first met Donald Trump Jr. Donald Trump Jr. approached him on Twitter and Tate told him like, maybe we meet each other, and Donald Trump Jr. said like, yeah, if you're in DC, maybe I have 5 minutes to meet with you. And Tate took the plane, went there, sat 1 week, messaged this guy every day, and they finally met. They took a picture and talked for like 1 hour. But you have to pay the price, take the plane tickets, go there, book a hotel, all this bullshit. You cannot expect important people to like you and take you seriously if you don't make no efforts into being closer to them. Because if you don't make no efforts, they see it like, this guy doesn't really respect me. This guy is like some idiot, messages every rich guy with the same shit. Doesn't make no investment, doesn't do nothing. So understand that it's pay for play. If you wanna be friends with rich guys, even if some rich guy goes out with you, go pay the bill. Show you're serious. Don't be like some leech, don't be some idiot. Because if you're an idiot, these guys, they have so many options. You're not that important unless you prove yourself. By the way, if you want to improve your position in life, my suggestion is you join Rich Gang. Rich Gang is my private community. It has hundreds of members from all over the world. The vast majority of them are doing online business. So if you're interested in online business, if you're interested in investments, crypto, stuff like this, if you're interested in having friends that think like you, that are like-minded, my suggestion is click the link below, talk to the live chat, get more details, and join Rich Gang.